Happy Saturday morning. Good morning, Miss Iris.
Well, good morning.
How are you?
And I'm so excited.
What are you excited
because
about?
You know what today is?
Tell me. Well, I mean, it's Saturday.
Yeah, it's Saturday. Because we get to paint and do some stuff.
Yeah, we've got some really exciting things today.
But you know what? You know what today is? It's the day before Easter! Candy, 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 lots of candy.
Yes.
Candy, candy, I love me some candy.
Is that the only thing you like about Easter?
No, you get to paint Easter eggs.
You get to paint Easter eggs.
So much fun.
It is so much fun. I mean to tell you, there are Easter crafts and all kinds of things that we can do. We've actually hard-boiled some eggs. Does anybody have any idea what we're going to do with these eggs today?
We're going to paint them.
We are going to
decorate, do some glitter. And
no glitter.
No glitter.
No, I don't do glitter. This is not happening in this house. Not today.
Come on.
Not today, girl. Not in this house. I don't do glitter.
Well, what are we going to do if we're not going to use glitter?
We're going to use paint.
Okay, check.
We have paper.
Check.
We have golden paint.
You mean like golden ticket?
Yeah.
You know, it's the ticket, right?
It's the ticket, man. We've got some paint brushes we're going to use.
Check.
We've got scissors. Make sure you ask your mom and dad for them before you go grab them.
Scissors.
Scissors. We've got a marker, like a little
marker.
Sharpie.
Hello.
Guys, you can pull different colors of paper. We've actually grabbed some in the brighter colors.
Ooh, those are pretty.
You know what we're going to do with a few of our eggs? We're not going to eat them.
We're going to paint them. That's what this show's all about. Painting eggs.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get started. Okay, Iris, for this very first egg. Now, you guys are going to need mom and dad to probably help hard boil your eggs. You have to put them in boiling water. How long did we boil these?
Way too long.
Way too long. Well,
about 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes in hot boiling water. Please ask mom or dad or somebody, an older sibling, somebody to help you out when you're
maybe grandma.
Grandma.
Grandpa.
I guarantee you, grandma knows how to boil a hard-boiled egg.
Yeah, Matt did that yesterday.
Matt did it.
Yeah, he said, hi, Riz, hey, I wanna boil some eggs so you guys can clean.
Is that Matt's voice?
Yeah, that's my impersonation of Matt's voice. It's pretty good, don't you think?
It's pretty good, but I was thinking I hard-boiled. You little turkey. Okay, this is the first one we're gonna do. Guys, we're gonna turn this into a vase.
A what?
A vase. Okay, so we're going to...
You mean like you put flowers in?
Yeah.
Like a flower vase?
Exactly. It's
or
gonna
like
turn
a vase
into
for
a
like
vase.
food?
Food?
Yeah,
You
like
put
food.
food in a vase?
Yeah. I thought everybody does that.
I don't really think so.
Nobody does this on that planet? Nobody does that on this planet?
We're gonna paint this gold, not on this planet, this here Earth.
Interesting.
We put flowers in our vases, and we have a lot of flowers blooming right now. It's springtime. It's my favorite time of the year. We're going to paint this gold using a product called Golden Ticket.
Golden Ticket, baby.
From DIY. So we're gonna have us a gold little egg, okay? The golden egg.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, and then we're gonna crack the top of it gently.
Oh, are you gonna do that?
I'm hoping you were.
I bet Matt can do it. I bet he's the best ever. Oh yeah,
you know what? I can do it.
Oh, there's no doubt you can do it. I bet you can do it, but I
bet you can do it at home too, but you gotta be really easy. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. We're gonna crack the top and then we're gonna put flowers down inside of it. So it'll just be sitting there with flowers.
It'll look like a flower pot.
Yeah, exactly.
It'll be awesome.
So let me get started on that. And then the second one is gonna be a gumball machine.
Oh, you're kidding me. I love gum. So does that mean like we make it and then we put a coin in it and then it comes out?
No. I don't think you can put a coin in an egg. Don't try. Don't try.
I bet Matt can.
I don't think even Matt can do that. Matt's pretty good, but I really don't think he could even do that.
Yeah, you're probably right. All right, so
and then the third egg.
So you're going to paint this egg, and then we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to start on another project?
We are. We're going to let this dry.
Yes.
Gold. Then we're going to start on our pig. I started to say egg. It's an egg pig. Do you call it a pig or do you call it an egg?
Wait.
Yeah.
What do pigs have to do with Easter?
Well, they're farm animals, and they're cute, and so we're going to use some pink construction paper. We're gonna put a face on the egg, and you're gonna love it, and it's gonna be fun. You could do any farm animal, but I really like pigs the most.
Yeah, they're kind of cute.
They are kind of cute. So I painted it gold. I'm gonna have to let it set over here gently.
Okay, make sure it doesn't roll off the table.
Don't let your
Get on the
eggs
carpet,
roll. Eggs
and
be
bust.
rolling, ain't cool, man.
And then Dionne would be like, oh my gosh,
Make
Iris,
sure. I would be like, what? So make sure you have something down over your table so you don't get any paint. If you're using paint, you might even want to use some washable markers. It's totally up to you what
You can use all kinds of stuff.
You certainly could. You could dye your eggs. You could do different things, but we're using our DIY paint for this project. So the next thing we want to do is wait.
We want to wait?
Do we want to?
Oh yeah, we gotta wait because, the paint's gotta dry. So, okay, we're in a holding pattern.
Holding pattern.
Okay, everybody do this.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting.
Is that a wait? Is that your wait face?
That's my waiting face.
Okay, this is my wait face.
Okay, I'm waiting way too long.
I
It's
don't
been
like waiting.
It's been like 15 million
I don't like
hours.
waiting. Listen, grab your next egg. Let's get started on our next project. Next
You know how
egg.
hard that is?
I was here with you. I was here with you.
Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot.
Yeah, we did that waiting game
I
together.
almost fell asleep.
All right, so instead of making the pig look like this, we're gonna turn it on its side. Every egg has a rounder, see how this side is a little bit bigger than this side?
Yeah.
Okay, so pink paper.
Pink paper, check.
Sharpie.
Check.
Scissors.
Check.
Glue.
Did you get the glue?
I said get the glue, Iris.
I told you to get the glue.
Iris, please go get the
Sorry,
glue.
but we had a little miscommunication.
Okay.
Matt! Get some glue!
Guys, let's do this pig thing. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, that was fun. Can we name our piggy? Can we name?
What?
Can we name it?
Yeah, let's name it Porky.
Porky.
Porky the pig.
I like Henry or something.
Henry.
Or like Hank the pig. Or
No,
like
Hank's a good one.
maybe it's
Hank.
a girl. How do we know it's a boy?
I'm pretty sure it's a boy.
Let's call her.
Pretty sure it's a boy.
You are? Pretty sure?
Pretty sure. Yeah, it's pretty sure.
She's
Pretty
so
sure it's a boy.
She's so cute.
That
Oh
was
my
fun.
goodness. She's
Hank. I like Hank. Hank the
Guys,
pig.
if you try to do a pig, it's super fun. But if you don't want to do a pig and you want to try to do a cow, you can always paint the outside black, white.
You can do a chicken?
You could do a sheep. You could actually
No, sheep.
glue white little pom-poms all over it, and it could be like the fluffiest, cutest sheep ever if you wanted to try. This was so much fun. I want to do some more eggs. So
What are we gonna do?
I think we should do a gumball machine.
Gumball's my favorite.
How many times have I heard, Mom, can I have a quarter? Mom,
I need
you
some
got a
gum.
dime?
Hey, I need
Mom,
some gum.
Mom,
Hey,
a nickel,
Mom,
a nickel?
Mom,
Mom,
I need
I
some
need a
gum.
quarter. Gumball. Let's make one.
Let's do this. That was awesome!
That was so
Are you kidding me right now?
That was so fun. Hey, I
mean,
need
I'm
some
gonna go
bubble
get
gum. Could you give me some bubble
I'm
gum?
gonna go get some quarters and some pennies. I don't want to.
You can't actually use it. These
Yeah,
are just
yeah.
eggs.
No. I mean, it looks so real.
This turned out really
I mean, I'm
fun.
probably gonna eat it.
You guys, this turned out really fun.
Look how cool this is.
You could make one of these for every day of the week.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you guys can use different colors if you choose. We made like the little silver thing where you put the money, and then there comes the gumballs.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go get some pennies. Hang on, just a second.
Okay, you go do that. Meanwhile, you guys, if you wanted to paint the egg, you could do like a white egg. You could do different colored eggs, but I really like that we just used old-fashioned brown eggs. And the base, often,
Okay.
did you run? Did you run so fast?
I ran all the way back to my room.
Oh, you're sweaty.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
goodness.
I
All
got
right,
my pennies, so I'm gonna try to
how's
get
this
some
gonna work?
gumballs out of the machine.
Oh my goodness, so silly.
What are we gonna do next? Oh wait! You know what we gotta do?
What are we gonna do?
We gotta do our vase.
We can do our
Is it paint dry?
Let me set my, yes. The paint
It is?
is dry.
Well, we gotta do it! Come on!
On our
what are we
vase.
waiting on?
It looks like it's pretty dry, so let's
Let's
make a
do
vase.
this.
Let's do it.
Hey, wait a minute.
What?
I got a joke.
Are we gonna do it?
What? I
You
mean,
wanna
I
save
got
the jokes for
I
later?
got-
or-
No, I got a joke.
Okay, let's
It's-
hear. Let's hear it.
It's a really good joke.
Okay.
What day do eggs hate the most?
What day do eggs hate the most? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Friday! Get it? Friday?
Fry!
Friday!
Fry, like fried egg.
Oh my gosh.
I bet they don't like fried
Did you hear
eggs.
it? Get it? Egg, fry.
Speaking
fried
of
egg.
fried, did you eat eggs this morning?
Well, yeah, Matt got up, baby. Scrambled eggs, fried eggs, poached
I was
eggs,
hoping Matt would make me
hard-boiled
something.
eggs.
All that? You ate all of that? Matt made all of that. Are you fibbing? Are you teasing?
I mean, Matt's a really, really good cook. I mean, he's pretty much the best. I don't know if you guys know that.
It's interesting.
I don't
how
know if you know this or not.
You and
But
Matt.
he's pretty much the best. Matt, telephone! I think it's for you!
Well, what do you think? Iris.
Whoa.
Were you
Whoa!
What are you taking a nap?
Are you kidding me? You know how awesome that was? It blew my mind. I was just like,
What exactly
oh,
blew your mind?
I was thinking about what we just did,
Oh,
and it
it
blew
was
my
pretty
mind.
awesome. It's pretty
I was
awesome.
in shock.
Got a gumball machine back over here. We got a pig over here. And now we've got a flower vase. Take a
Oh,
look, you guys.
yeah.
Who are we going to give this to?
That was so much fun. Let me
It was
tell you
so
about it.
easy, too.
Look at that vase!
Ta-da!
Fantastic!
You guys, you can just make some vases and give flowers away to everybody in your family for Easter if you want to.
That's a wonderful idea.
Hard-boiled egg, paint it any color you want. We chose gold. Crack the little top. Did you see how that tiny little thing worked? And we just peeled the top off and it was like so easy, squeezy, peasy. How come you didn't do it? How come you made me do all the work?
I was watching cartoons.
That wasn't true. She was watching, actually. But
Actually, I was running all your errands. You're like, Iris, go get the little baby. Iris, go get the flowers. Iris, go get the little baby.
I don't know about all this mess. You guys. You're such a teaser. Now listen, we have our own vase of flowers. So we did pig,
Pig, oink, oink.
oink, oink. We did gumball machine,
Check.
and now we did a flower vase. You guys, there are
Check.
so many things you can do.
Oh my gosh, you know what I used to do all the time is really fun? I used to paint my favorite candy on the egg.
Oh, you could totally do that.
Can you guess what my favorite candy was?
Favorite candy? The little marshmallow bunny rabbits.
Peeps?
Peeps.
No.
You love the Peeps?
But that would be really cool. You
love
can
the
paint a
Peep?
peep.
Dude, can we turn this into
No,
a Peep?
no. You know what? It's a perfect shape. Look at the shape.
M&M's?
M&M's. You can paint them
M&Ms.
red and blue and green.
Totally
And then
do
you
that.
do like a big M on it and you put a little face and smiles.
That's a great idea. It's like a
Or you could do like a minion.
a minion. That's a
Paint
good
minion over
idea.
there. Or maybe like superhero.
You know what I would really do? I would kind of like get my little brushes and I would paint flowers all over them.
You're all about the flowers.
You guys, I hope you have a wonderful Easter and enjoy these projects. You guys, make sure you have help with your scissors and make sure you always lay down something before you start a project. But we so enjoyed this and I hope you'll come back next Saturday. And I want to hear all about your Easter. So leave a comment and tell me what kind of eggs you made. What are we going to do? I don't know what we're going to do. I'm waiting to get outside because it's just still cold and windy.
It's so windy out there.
It is.
I mean, literally, if I walked
Your
out there
hair
right
would
now,
be messed up.
my hair would be like this.
And then
That's what my
mine
hair
would
would
be
look
like this all over you.
I know, we'd be like, oh, we'd be like talking in your hair and
We
stuff.
would be crazy, girl. Guys, we'll see you next week.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!